Good morning. 11:18. Oh, I'm sorry. 11:48 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Date 5/18/2014. What do we have before us? Well, right now we have a weekly chart, and it's on Google, Googl, and then the other instrument is Goog. We're mainly focusing on this one because we can get the longer term data. I have never ever seen Google that overbought on a moving average convergence divergence on a weekly. We only knew one thing, that it wasn't going to be sustainable. And we knew that it had to have put options and a short based on this high on that weekly level. And I'm just going to blow this high up so people can see it. It was way up here, and we had Googl come out and Goog. So when we take a look right up here, we're going to say that the following. We are going to say that we were well above 600 here, and that we have dropped down on Google on a weekly level with a great pullback. And right now, I'm going to show the following. We just want to show you, before it had that split, that this stock was the greatest breakout of all time. We got extremely overvalued, and you had to come down. From 615 on this high, which was done February 23rd of 214. And right now on Googl, we are consolidating at the weekly moving averages, called a 50 week right here. That's a 50 week. It has yet to break down below it. There we start with this week reversal, and you can see here that the 10 week has crossed over the 20. That's not good. But then again, it's in a range here on this weekly chart. Now, there are great put options at times, but right now, when we take a look at where this weekly consolidation is, we can take a look at the 10 week crossing over the 20. That's a death cross, number one. Narrow range weekly bars is number two. And the all-time high up here, and a MACD that we haven't seen in any stock hardly ever. We just can't believe how that could have happened. It did happen, though. Why? You want the answer? Here's why. Supercomputers and high-frequency models moved these things to absurdity levels where they had to come down. So basically, when we take a look at the weekly low over here, okay, we're going to take a look at this weekly low right here that was done on 5/4 that week at 511. This stock is in the $100 reversal that, whether it was Amazon that we did today and other stocks that we did, such as Netflix and Amazon, and there are others. Now we're doing Google, all of which have had a $100 pullback off of their manipulated 52-week highs that, once again, Mr. Regulator, was done how? Oh, what? Oh, yeah. You mean supercomputers could do that? You darn right they did it. They have come and they have gone. That's what happens in this NASDAQ 100 and these high-flying names. And once again, we told everybody the following. Here on stockmarketfunding.com website, search videos, go, simply put in, well, this is going to be new, Googl in the search, and we're going to see what has come about it. Since it's split, is going to be done. And all you have to do in this case, Googl will not have a lot of data because the way that they split the stock. And, we'll go into that at another time. So basically, when you type in Goog, which is another symbol of class stocks, we've got a lot of data still on Goog. And you can get lots of data that's here. It's live. It's real. It's right at the moment or before that this was going to go down. Do your homework here. High frequency trading stocks. Okay. One of the things that we are going to point out very clearly, how the bull has got stuck up of $100 reversal. The $100 reversal is a buying opportunity for us at the very call strike prices on GOOGL and or GOOG. And what we are talking about is we're going to get all our new call contracts set up. The 517s right here we're going to get rid of because they expired on Saturday. And what we're going to do is we're going to start both of the calls on GOOG and GOOGL all the way over. Google is going to pay a lot of money off of the intraday lows for our buys in the options. I'm going to show you a daily sell signal on Google. Google hasn't seen this forever, but let's just take a look at what it says on the daily. And just remember, the public is going to make their buys and sells on the way they interpret your standard technical analysis. The green line is a 200-day. It popped. It came down, it undercut it, and it tried to get above it, but look what happened. On this daily bar here, we got up above it, we went up, and we rolled right back over on this daily chart. Now, daily sell signal is there. The other thing that's very proactive is that if you want to take a look at GOOGL back on 227, you can see it way, way up here before that split, and you can see this long, long diagonal trend line. And that was off of those highs originally. And here is the daily. That's over what? Short-term sell signal. And major support is right there. We're going to watch how it responds to the green line of the 200-day simple moving average. That's where the public is going to be going, oh boy, what do I want to do? Well, we're going to buy it wholesale, and we're going to sell it retail, and we're going to use the options to trade on Google.